Good afternoon all. This is our project Godrej 7 Joka, and you can see this is the model flat of 1356 square feet sellable area. So come, this is the main entry point. On that we are giving video door phone and beautiful entry passage, beautifully crafted and designed. Now we are into living area, and this living area is also attached with dining space, and it's a huge area along with the TV unit, beautifully designed, and with that it's a attached balcony along with this living cum dining space. So come see, this is the balcony area, beautiful space. And now come this side. So we are entering into the lobby space, and just on my left side you can see this is the kitchen space, beautiful kitchen with both the side countertops. So you can see the countertops with black granite and the modular furnitures, kitchen chimney, these all points have been given. And along with that you can also get a dry balcony area. So you can see this is the dry balcony area along with this kitchen and beautiful countertop. So now come this side, we are entering into the lobby again, and on the left side you can get this common toilet with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin space. Now just opposite to that, this is the master bedroom with attached toilet. So you can see this is the attached toilet with again excellent utilization of the bathroom space with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin space. And just to mention you that you can decorate this space for your dressing area just behind the door. So, and come this side. So this is the master bedroom with a very big size king size bed, beautifully crafted and decorated with cross ventilation window, excellently designed wardrobe space and a TV unit. And with that you can also get a very big size balcony. So you can see this balcony space along with a king size bed. So now come again. So just outside to this bedroom, on my front you can see this is the third bedroom with another attached toilet. So you can see this separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin area. Again you can see this is a king size bed along with a very big size French window and a separate wardrobe space and excellently designed TV unit space. You can have your TV unit here. And again come this side, we are entering into the third bedroom. So you can mention this as a kids bedroom. So on the entry we have designed like this, and a study table beautifully crafted and designed with a double bed for kids and a huge French style window. Along with that, beautifully crafted for maximum utilization of space. So you can see, so overall this is a 3 BHK of 1356 square feet sellable area along with 2 master bedroom and 3 toilets with 2 balcony spaces. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are running with some excellent schemes. Like right now you have to give only 10% amount for the booking come agreement, and remaining amount you have to give at the time of handover only. So it's an excellent scheme, only for very limited period and for very limited units. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates. Thank you.